Hi everyone. So now we have Pioneer 3060. It's from 1980s. Radio itself, it's still in original drawer, so you can basically take it out with this handle. It do have some scratches, but nothing major. Still looks good for its age. We did full service for it, cleaned the heads, changed the belts, lighting bulbs are changed, and we did manage to install Bluetooth. Okay, so at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now other side, reverse mode. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are okay. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch from FM mode to middle waves or long waves mode, which we don't use in these days. So simply press the band button a couple times, maybe 2 or 3 times, until you reach the middle wave mode. So once, 2, and 3. That's it. Now we are on the Bluetooth mode. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is. It's connected. That's it. Now we are connected, and you can play any music you have on your phone. And this time we'll go to YouTube. Cool, right? Let's try another song. It's really simple to use. When you want to back to your regular radio, simply press this band button once or twice again until you're back to FM mode. So once, that's enough. You're on FM mode and you have regular radio again. Okay guys, thumbs up.